I've also allowed to go through the rules and to respect the constitution of this country by going and opening the case against all intimidation that happens in my homes, and all the intimidations happens to myself through messages and through videos by Mkhuleko Hlengwa. Lesi star mbo ekuyisona umholi waso oyistar mbo official spokesperson uyena osethe i-record straight wathi mina umuntu nje wenkatha la ngibona khona akangithathe njengesitha.